Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to configure auto download on WhatsApp web. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type web.whatsapp.com and hit on enter right now. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Well, once you've logged in, this is the homepage of WhatsApp. Now on the left side of the screen, there are many options like chats, communities, status and everything, but right now, simply go to this gear-like icon that you will find at the bottom left. It is settings. Simply click on it and you will be in the settings page. Now right now, we want to configure auto download. Simply go over to this chats tab right here, just click on it. Under the chat settings tab, you will see something like media auto download. Simply click on it. Now from here, you can see that I have enabled media auto download for photos and audios. In case you want to enable auto download for videos and documents, click on these tabs as well. In case you don't want to do media auto download, simply click on all this checkbox and uncheck them. That's how we configure auto download in WhatsApp web. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.